Hey guys, welcome back. Next up, just going to open the Steam Siege packs that I got. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Yeah, let's get to it. Hoping for some Full Art Sycamore. Pretty sick. It goes for around 40 bucks. I pulled that a few days ago, so it's always good to have duplicates. And yeah, I'll just give the codes away as well. I don't need the codes. There you go. Boop. It's 1, 2, 3 from the back. And yeah. Apologies if I don't get all the names pronounced correctly. Anarith, Halucha, Duat, Oshawat, Ponyard, Tangela, Joltik, Larvesta, Reverse Hollow is Litleo, and the rare is a regular Bastodon. Okay. Next pack. Go. So we got Altarius Spirit Link, Dome Fossil Kabuto, Wormadam, Rylou, Gothita, Wishmere, Fennegan, Carbink, and the reverse is Servine, and the rare, Rotom. I was about to grab Fates Collide. We're doing Steam Siege. And the code. Yep. We got Ninja Boy, pretty good. Got a Clang, Bravery, Ponyard, Tangela, Joltik, Larvesta, Rufflet. Alright, okay, we got a Reverse Pyroar, which is a rare, and the rare is Steelix EX. Pretty nice. Set him there. Next pack. Get out of here. Okay. We got a Gardevoir Spirit Link, Nuzleaf, Claw Fossil Anorith, Mantine, Clink, Mankey, Fungus, Nidoran, and reverse is Drifloon, and the rare is Hollow Ampharos. I like this card, it's very nice. It's good in some decks. Yep. Nidorino, Zweilous, I think, Monferno, Clank, Mankey, Fungus again, Nidoran, Oshawott, Reverse Oshawott, and the rare, Dual Type Galvantula. I'll just set it there. Focus. There we go. So yeah guys, thanks for the follows and the likes. Really means a lot. Skiplim, Greedy Dice, Klefki, Fletchling, Seedot, Drifloon, Marl, Shellos, Reverse Infernape, like that art, and the rare is a Nidoking. The code, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Got another Claw Fossil Anorith, Anorith, Hawlucha, Chimchar, Yanma, Mareep, Mantine, Meowth, Reverse Ponyta, and Yamega, which is a good card. Goes for a couple of bucks. It's good in some decks. Building around it. There you go. Got a Persian, Rapidash, Special Charge, Drifloon, Apom, Mankey, Shellos, Krogunk, Reverse Bergmite, and a Falcarnia dual type. That's nice. 2 packs after this, and we're done. And it's upside down. Come on. What the hell? There. Okay. Okay. First off, we've got Steelix Spartlink, Sheldon, Persian, Rufflet, Ponyta, Meowth, Litwick, Hoppip, Reverse Rufflet, and Avalugg Rare. Again guys, apologise, I actually just hit the off button by accident. We were down to our second last pack. Let's get to it. Oh, kind of ruined it there. There you go. Armor Sheldon, Skiploom, Gritty Dice, Ponyta, Meowth, Litwick, Hoppip, Dino, Reverse Clang, and Jumpluff. Last pack, guys. Steam Siege anyway. And we will give you this. There you go. 1, 2, 3. We got a Klefki, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Nuzleaf, Litleo, Nosepass, Seedot, Clauncher, Bergmite, Reverse is a Reverse Rare Jumpluff, and Hollow Xerneas. Pretty good. So yeah, that was for 10 packs, that was okay. We got a Steelix EX and we got a lot of Reverse, some decent cards. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. We'll see you next time. Thank you.